Okay, so it's currently really late and I'm starting the vlog really late just because I wasn't going to vlog and then I ended up deciding to vlog. I wasn't sure if it was going to be interesting what I was doing, but I didn't even know I was going to do this till like now. All I've done this morning has been to Sainsbury's and the time is currently 4 minutes past 1, so I'll probably be going like another half an hour maybe, I don't know. Yeah, so yeah, because I kind of have this thing with my mum where I go like once a week and it's always on like a Thursday. So yeah, that's basically it. And this is really heavy holding my GoPro because it's kind of on charge. So yeah, which is weird just because it has like no charge and it wasn't turning on. I was like, why is it not turning on? But yeah, so it's just like my... Basically, you've just got back. I'm going to stand still on a block, right? We just got back and it was really good actually. It's nice going on a small train. It was so windy though, like we went to like the beach and it was just like my hair, like we didn't have an ice cream, like last week we had an ice cream, it just all went in my hair, which was ridiculous. But yeah, it was really good, it was nice. Yeah. I don't know how long this vlog will be actually. It might be slightly longer. I'm hoping it's about 4 or 5 minutes. But yeah, I don't think I'm doing much tonight anyway, to be fair. But yeah, but it was really, really good. And we had like what did we have? I had like a hot chocolate and like some brownie, but the brownie was really dry. Not being picky or anything, but my mum had like Victoria sponge and that was really nice. So yeah, so it was good. It was good. So for the last hour and a half I've just been editing this vlog and what else have I been doing? I'm watching YouTube videos, to be fair. I'm just about to go and have dinner. So I'm just going to like put this clip in. I'm just going to end it here because I'm not doing anything tonight and I'm quite happy with the vlog so far, and it's only like a it's like a probably 5 minute vlog, which is better than like a 2-3 minute vlog, so I'm quite happy about that. And I'm just about to go and have dinner, so I'm just going to have dinner and then I'll probably play badminton later, but I'm going to end it here because yeah. So I shall see you in my next vlog. Please subscribe and like and everything if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next vlog.